Did you know that you can find some free printables on Plaid's website? They have many patterns and they're all organized by alphabet, holidays. So here I am skimming through. They like to rotate from holidays and what's trending. And since we're coming up with 4th of July, I decided that I would do a USA flag pattern. It's really easy, it's that simple. You just click on it, download it. I'm sending it to my printer. So just hit File, Print. Make sure that I use the printer that has color. It looks good. And now I'm going to send it to print. Okay, so I just printed out some of these cute cutouts. As you can see, I am cutting every piece out. So now I'm looking for a decorative paper to go all around my container. Then I'm going to add these cutout pattern pieces with Mod Podge. So I found this red plaid decorative paper and I'm going to measure it by going around with the decorative paper, cutting it to size. Then seal it with Mod Podge. You can see me covering the whole container with Mod Podge, and then I'm going to add a little bit more to seal the edges. Now for the fun part is adding these printouts that I got from Plaid's website and just adding Mod Podge and sealing them around the edge. I did realize that some of the ink was being picked up from the Mod Podge on my brush, so you want to be careful when you're adding that you don't mix Mod Podge and all of the colors. So now I'm going to let that dry. I'm going to add some sparkle. So Mod Podge makes this glitter sealant, and I thought it would be perfect with the theme of 4th of July and adding more glitter, because why not? I'm going to add some foam dots. So I'm adding foam stickers on the USA flags that came in the pattern. just so it has a little bit more depth from the other paper around the container.
Okay.
It's not quite dry yet, but just to show you guys, it still works. So here's how it turned out. I think super cute. Perfect for a centerpiece.